In this video, I'll show you how you can use emotes in Roblox. Now, first step is you want to head over to Roblox and you can go to your avatar. From up here, go to customize and go to emotes. Now from in here, you can see the emotes you have. You can also go to marketplace and you can buy some if you wanna. But from in here, as you can see, I have these: hello, stadium, point two, and shrug. I can put them up here if I want as a into my hotbar. And what you can do is, let's just load up a map real quick. Let's go in here. Now let's wait for this to load. And once you're in, what you can do is you can press enter up here. You want to click up here and you want to type /emote and then the name of the emote. Now for me, I had the hello emote, so if I type this, as you can see, I will do the hello. You can also, instead of typing emote, just /e. I also add shrug, and as you can see, it will now work. So that's basically how you can use the emotes in Roblox, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.